to see your father as promised?
It depends when you are ready.
I'm always ready. I'm available. I'll come from school. And then after that, we'll go and see my parents because I already told them about you.
You did?
Don't you like it?
Of course. I like it. I'm just wondering if your parents will allow a low-class man like me to marry a princess.
Harry, you're not low class, okay? Besides, they will not tell me who I will marry. They can't choose from who I will marry.
Thank you very much. You make me so happy. I promise you, I'll do everything possible to marry you. I'm happy with you.
Just take it to your father, so.
Oh, you're welcome. Make yourself comfortable.
It's a nice place.
Please stop. Stop laughing at us. It's this house. Poor man's house.
I'm serious. I'm okay. Stop. Oh, good day, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
This is my father. Papa, this is Abella, the girl I've been telling you about.
My dear, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
So where are you from, my daughter?
I am from Udenu. I am Igwe Ezemwata's daughter.
Igwe Ezemwata.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean you're a princess?
Yes, I am, sir.
Hey! Afupami Ife. Mom, you're welcome.
Thank
you. You are highly welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. My son Harry told me a lot about you. About the long relationship when you were courting and you were so good. I'm very, very happy to have such royalty in my family.
Thank you, sir.
You're highly welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Harry, there is nothing in the house. You have to go and get something for her immediately. Just Harry! Harry! My son, I am not comfortable with the young woman you came in this afternoon with. I don't see the possibility of both of you getting married.
But I don't understand. But she agrees to marry me.
Being an Igwe's daughter makes it impossible. Every king would want his daughter to get married to somebody of the same social class. As a matter of fact, the king will not approve of your intention to marry his daughter. I don't see it coming.
Papa, the most important thing here is that she loves me so much. And I love her too. She has even assured me, she promised me that she's ready to stand by me no matter the situation.
And what if the king refuses to give his consent for your intention to marry the daughter? Are you going to run away with the daughter?
But that will not happen. That is not possible. I will go on my knees and pray. But see, as I'm talking to you now, I am ready to withstand no matter what comes out. I'm ready to withstand any situation. But don't you know if I get married to that girl, to bring royalty into this family, people will not respect you in this community. They will not be seeing you as Igwe's in-law. You will not be raising your shoulder.
My son, you may be right there. You may be right there. But you see, I'm only trying to be realistic here. Well, all the same, may the good Lord be with you.
Papa, don't need to be realistic. We just support me. That is all I want. I love that girl. I'm ready to die for that girl.
Yeah? This boy, when I was of your age, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Who is this young man and what is he doing here?
Like, his name is Harry. He's my friend. He's the person I told you will be coming today to see you. He's my friend.
Your fiancé?
Oh, really?
Young man,
Yes, nice.
what is your name?
My name is Harry. I'm from abroad.
Who is your father and what does he do for a living?
My father is Mazi Zuchuku. He's a farmer. I'm a businessman.
The farmer. And you said you want to marry my daughter, the princess of this land.
Yes, Your Highness. She's a good woman. She has all the qualities of a good woman. Your Highness, I promise I will take good care of her.
He loves me.
Is that so?
Oh, really? You sent for me?
Yes. That young man that came here this afternoon, how did you meet him?
Dad, you remember the incident I had in school with those female cultists? He was the one that took me to the health center and took care of me whilst I was there. Then he started to visit me afterwards and we got comfortable with one another.
That means you've been dating him since then.
Yes, Dad.
Imagine it. Oh, no wonder she really comes like she used to do.
Isabella,
Yes, Dad.
what do you know about this young man?
He's a businessman. He took me to see his father. He comes from a very good home and he's a nice man. Dad.
Shut up. Isabella, I am disappointed. What do you have with the son of a farmer? Or have you forgotten that you are Igwe's daughter? A royal breed. What kind of daughter are you, Isabella?
The issue is that she seems not understand that she is my daughter. And also being a princess, that she is expected to marry a prince of a notable community.
Daddy, please. I mustn't marry a prince. I love Harry and he loves me too. I want to marry him, please.
Make sure God loves you, in a Kubaka love. What do you know about love?
Isabella,
Yes, Daddy.
tell that young man that I said he will not marry you. Also tell him I don't want to see him in my house and I don't want you to have anything to do with him again. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Daddy.
It's okay.
Yes, I heard it, Mom.
Now will you get out?
How am I going to tell Harry that my parents don't like him? I love him so much and I don't want to lose him. What am I going to do now? I have no option than to lie. I have to make him believe my parents like him a lot.
Isabella,
Yes, Mom.
I heard you are going back to school tomorrow. If you like, when you get back to school, you can start from where you stopped with your so-called Harry or whatever you call him. Or bear it in mind. Even if your father later changes his mind, I, your mom, will never allow that thing to come into this family. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, Mom. I heard you.
Wait, I heard that the princess will be going back to school tomorrow. Is it true?
I don't know, but that's what I heard. I don't think she's going again.
Why now?
Because of that Harry stuff now.
Harry.
That's their business.
Let's go.
My parents have refused to understand that love is just everything in a union. I mean, I want someone who would love me for who I am, not what I am. Someone who would understand me and bear my shortcomings, not someone who would just treat me anyhow. They don't see it the way I'm seeing it.
Have you spoken to Harry since then?
Yes, he was here yesterday. He was eager to know what my father would say about everything, but...
Okay, did you tell him?
I couldn't. I told him something else. I just couldn't tell him the truth.
You lied to him?
Yes, but I couldn't hurt his feelings now. It's not fair.
Isabel, your father said you can't marry him. Are you planning to disobey your father?
My father said that because he believes Harry is not rich. He doesn't have the charisma and status to be his daughter's husband, but I believe things will look up for Harry.
How do you mean?
He told me not to tell anyone, but you're my friend, I'll tell you. He plans to leave the country very soon. His visa is out and he will jet out any moment from now. And I believe when he comes back, things will look up for him. Things will be better.
Oh, wait. Are you planning on waiting for him? Until when? Do you know how long it will take him to get there, settle, and then make it in life to come back look for you?
Even if it takes decades for him to come back, I will wait.
Girl. When are you going back to school? For me, I'm going back tomorrow.
I might join you tomorrow because my parents are just on my neck.
Promise me you will never leave me and marry another woman.
I've never loved anyone. So I don't think that would be a problem. I love you and I will wait for you. Hi. I don't want you to get carried away. When they start to call you for women and you forget me and I'm here waiting for you doing that. Don't do that to me, please.
You know I will never do that. You know I love you so much. Whether white or black, I can never leave you for any woman. You are my life, you are my joy. You mean so much to me. Only going there to make money so I can come back and start raising family. It's the love we share keep us like that.
I'll pray for your success.
Nothing on earth. Have it in mind that out of sight is not out of mind. Thank you so much. Honestly, I'm ready.
We have eaten kola nut. It is time for our visitors to tell us why they are here. Igwe. Permit me to say this, Igwe. A hen does not run in the ring unless she is after something. My king, our Igwe, sent us to you. With us here is Prince Ugonaya, Igwe's son. We are actually seeking for your daughter's hand in marriage. Prince Ugonaya wants to marry your daughter. And before us here are the items we came with. Thank you. Igwe! Long may you reign, Igwe. My Igwe, Igwe Osadebe, Buruburu One, your very good friend, has asked us to plead with you that he wants to be your in-law. He believes, and we also believe, that that relationship will further strengthen the relationship that exists between your kingdom and our kingdom. This is our message. Igwe! You are welcome once again. Igwe! What else can I say? Igwe Sadebe is my very good friend. So it will not be a bad thing if both of us become in-laws. Igwe! Let me send for my daughter to come and greet you people very well. Prince Ugone,
Your Highness.
How is your father?
He's fine, Your Highness.
Good. Both of us became friends when we were still princes. He will tell you more about that.
Yes, he told me about it.
You are welcome. They are our visitors. They came because of you. Here is Prince Ugonnoya from Amukenu Kingdom. He is here to marry you. So I want you to go round and greet them very well.
What is really happening? For 4 months now, Harry's number has not been going through. It's not been connecting. What can be the reason? We only spoke 3 times after he left Nigeria for Europe, and that was 6 months ago. I really need to hear his voice, and for him to tell me what is happening. I'm beginning to worry too much.
Isabella, what is the matter? I noticed that you've not been happy for a while. You've not told me anything concerning the young prince that was there with his family yesterday. He's a very handsome man, and I believe both of you will make a very good home. Or what do you think?
I don't want to marry him.
Why?
She and Dad know I'm engaged to her.
Keep quiet! What nonsense! Your father will hear this. Nonsense.
Anyway, your daughter has started again. Now I know why she has been feeling so sad since Ugonna visited here. She said she's not going to marry Ugonna. That she's in love with someone else.
And who is that someone else she's in love with?
Harry. Harry Iwe. The young man that she brought home a few months ago.
Is she mad? Let me pretend I didn't hear that. But you better go and talk to her, because I am not ready to take any embarrassment from her.
Iwe, our daughter has gone very far. And the young man has eaten so deep in her that if you don't handle her with caution, she must slip up her fingers.
Now you go and tell her what I said. That she will not marry Harry. And she should not provoke my anger. Do you hear me?
I do, Iwe. I'll tell her.
I don't know what to do. I am very confused right now. I've been calling. I keep calling, but the number is not going through. Benita, I don't know what to do.
You know I warned you about this. Now look at sisters everywhere asking for your hand in marriage.
But you and I know I'm not going to marry any of them. Not even the Prince of Amukin. I will not.
Isabella, stop it. Stop. You don't have to keep rejecting suitors simply because you're waiting for Harry. Someone that haven't even spoken to you in months. Okay, look at Prince Ugunaya. He's a very handsome man. And the prince at that matter.
I am not talking about status. I'm talking about love. I love Harry. And I am going to wait for him. No matter how long it takes.
Wait for him? Till when? No, Isabel, till when? For how long are you going to wait for him?
Till he comes back. Till whenever.
Okay, I'm sorry. You know, you're the one wearing the shoe. Only you know where it's hot. I just don't want your parents to hate you because of this.
You know what? I don't care. I won't let anyone force me into doing what I don't want to do.
Think about it. Think about it very well so you don't make mistakes.
Isabella.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me the reason why you don't want to marry Prince Ugonaya? Isn't he more handsome than Harry?
Mommy, I'm not talking about physical attributes here or social status.
I love Harry and I don't want to marry someone who I don't love, someone who don't care about my feelings.
Isabella, I will not have you disgrace this family.
Mommy, please try and understand me. I don't mean to disrespect or disobey you or Dad.
Your father is already angry with you. It's better you have a routine now.
And please. Why are the both of you bent on making me marry someone I don't love? Don't you know that I'm the one who's going to live with the person for the rest of my life, and if I don't love him...
Shut up. We are your parents. We know what is good for you. We cannot allow that boy you call Harry to deceive you.
Mommy, he's not deceiving me. I love him and he loves me too. And if you don't let me marry him, I will kill myself.
I can see you have lost your senses. But I'll make you regain it very fast.
Isabella.
Yes, Daddy.
What did you tell your mother?
Can't you talk again? You can't talk. Tell your father what you told me.
I can see that you have gone out of your mind. That is why you told your mother that if you are not allowed to marry Harry, you will take your life.
Please. I don't mean to disrespect you, but I love Harry and I want to marry him.
Get up from there! For your information, the date for your traditional marriage has been fixed. And if you try to perform any rubbish in this matter, you will cease to be my daughter. I hope you heard me well.
And you will also cease to be my daughter.
You can go. I am done with you. Can you imagine? My daughter, I am happy for you. Today is a special day in your life. The day we have gathered to receive your bride price. Pending the day of the traditional marriage that will embrace all and sundry. Iherisa or Ibanku, as people may call it. I am happy for you. My daughter, time is now. You will take this wine and go round and identify for us who is your husband. And that from today we shall call your husband. Take. May the gods be with you.
My prince. Odogu. My prince. Oh yes. My prince. My prince.
Ugonna, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Both of you will increase and multiply. No evil shall befall both of you. Any act of putting asunder into this marriage shall be null and void. You will train your children, and your children will in turn look after both of you in old age. And so shall it be. In 9 months' time, we shall be looking forward to good news. And so shall it be. May the gods of our land protect both of you. Adamo.
My son Harry, I'm really very happy. You really made lots of achievements. That's good.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, I had to come to the village to discuss some issues with you.
Come on, go ahead. I'm all ears. What is it? I'm here.
Okay. I want to start a building project.
Good! Wonderful! Wonderful!
So I have come for you to give me a land to build a house.
That is wonderful. My dear, I am ready. We have a lot of space in this compound. Just make your choice. Anywhere, you have my support. And amazing and without the... That's good.
I want to start as soon as possible.
Wow, that is wonderful. You have my support, my son, but... my son, there is something I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
It's the issue of you picking a wife. You have to have your own family now.
Yes, Papa. That is one of the reasons I came. I have someone I want to marry. Do you remember the girl I brought home years back before I traveled?
That's some years back, many years ago.
Yes.
I don't think she'll be waiting for you. She must have gotten married to another man by now.
I know she won't wait. She promised me that she was going to wait for me till I come back. Yes. I'm planning to travel down to the village next week to ask her parents her whereabouts.
Yes. Good. That's my bro. Very happy to hear this. Is it okay for this? I'll get something special.
My father called and he asked after you.
I hope boy is well.
Yes, he called to remind us of his Father festival, which shall be on the last decade of next month.
Okay, so that means we get to travel next month.
Yes, we have to start making arrangements towards that.
Daddy, does that mean that we're going to see Grandma and Grandpa?
Oh yes, yeah. We'll be going together. Grandpa is doing his third of Father festival. It's a renewal of kingship in Igbo land. So we'll be going together, okay? Darling. Darling.
Yes?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
I was talking with Tony on the phone. He said I should greet you.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Who is it?
It's me, Your Majesty.
Come in.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Dinner is served.
Alright, thank you.
Isabella married to another man. It's impossible. I ain't gonna take that for an answer. I had in mind to go to the village tomorrow in search of her. Isabella, you betrayed me! Yes. Even if I lost contact with you, that is not enough reason for you to betray me. Marry another man. I suffered. I went through hell. I was in the streets. I hustled just to make money, come back to fulfill my promises to you. But you betrayed my love and to marry another man. It's not possible! Damn! Isabella, you're mine! You're mine! Isabella.
Is it possible that Harry went there and got married to another woman, then changed his number so that I can't reach him? No, I must find out what happened. He can't just abandon me like that and come back from nowhere. I must find out what happened.
What's going on? I told her to come to my room. Not till now, she's not here. I'm having these feelings that something is wrong somewhere.
Sorry, I slept off.
You slept off?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay.
What's wrong?
Baby. Please, tell me. Tell me the truth, because I noticed that for some time now, you've not been yourself. What's bothering you?
I'm fine. I've said this over and over and over again. There's nothing wrong. I am fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Is this not the man I saw with Isabella the other day? Does it mean he also come here to eat lunch? Good. I am not going to miss him again today.
How am I going to see him again? I will not rest until I see him and find out why he abandoned me and made a fool out of me.
I thought you slept.
No, I'm about to sleep.
Okay. I came in to say good night. My lovely wife. Sleep well.
You too. For 10 years I have forced myself to love a man I have no feelings for, all because of Harry. I must find out what happened. I must.
I cannot forget the taste of your love in my heart.
Who's it? Who is it?
It's me, Your Majesty.
Come in.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Is there any problem?
There's a young man in the living room. He said he's here to see you, Your Majesty.
A young man?
Yes, Your Majesty.
What is his name?
He said his name is Harry.
Okay, I'll be out soon.
Okay, Your Majesty.
My name is Amanda. My father's name is Kosiso.
Kosiso, what class are you?
He's in KG1.
Oh, that's good.
Uncle, do you know my dad is in place?
Ah, yes, I know.
Excuse me, sir. Her Majesty said I should be with you shortly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Amanda and Kosiso, come, let's go inside.
Yeah,
Take them inside. Fast. What are you doing here? How did you find this place?
Isabella, we need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about. Not even here. So please leave. My husband will soon be home.
If you don't want me to repeat my visit here, call me on the phone so we can fix a date and discuss. Isabella is still alive.
Amanda, I don't want you to ever mention that name in this house again, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Good.
But he said he's your friend.
My friend? He's not my friend. Maybe you didn't understand what he was trying to tell you.
But who is he?
He is my brother's friend. And please don't tell Daddy about what happened here today, okay? Okay? And get your brother for me, alright?
Okay, Mom.
darling.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How's work today?
Good. How are you doing?
You came back quite early. What happened?
I wasn't doing anything in the office, so I decided to come home and rest.
Okay, so I haven't fixed something for you to eat. I know you must be really hungry.
Yeah.
Alright.
Did anyone come here today?
Yes, my brother's friend. My brother sent a message to me through him.
Your brother's friend?
Yes.
How come? Why didn't your brother do that himself?
He's not feeling too fine.
Oh.
Yes. Why are you sounding like this? Why are you asking me too many questions? You're doubting me?
No. I'm not doubting you. It's okay.
Okay. I'll have them fix something for you. No, I'll do it myself.
Okay.
Alright.
Did you see that man that left here some minutes ago? Oh, yes. I saw him entering the compound. I didn't pay much attention to him. Who was he? My dear, do you know what sister told me about him? What did she tell you? She told me that the man told them that he is their mom's friend. Friend? My sister. How? I don't know. Eh? Wow. How can a man be a friend? I don't know. I don't understand. This is really strange. Very strange. Let's mind our business.
Your phone, this boy. Okay? Where is this boy now? Pick your call. Hello, MNK. Where have you been? Why are you not picking your calls?
No, sorry. I actually left the phone in the sitting room. I was in my bedroom trying to take care of one or two things. But wait a minute. You're sounding worried. Is there any problem?
Please, I need you to do a favor for me. If perchance Ugonaya calls you to ask you if someone came to the house looking for me and all of that, just tell him you sent the person, okay? And if he should ask you why you didn't come by yourself, just tell him you're not feeling too well, please.
Wait, are you having a problem with him or what?
Just do what I've told you to do now. What kind of question is that? I'll call you back later, Biko.
Okay, if you say so.
Harry came to the house.
Benita, I could not believe it. I don't know how he found this place.
What does he want from you again?
I don't know. I didn't even wait for him to say anything. I just told him to leave the house. But he dropped his number. He said I should call him if I don't want to see him here again.
Okay, have you called him?
No.
Isabella, you should be careful. You should be very careful. Call him, find out what he wants from you. Tell him to stay away from you, else he'll pull you out from your marriage.
Benita, I'm confused.
What are you confused about? Please, let Harry stay in your past. Look at Prince Ugonaya, he loves you so much. Don't let him ruin your 10-year-old marriage. Please, you're my friend. I won't want you to make mistakes. Isabella.
You won't understand.
Isabella.
Harry, what is it you want to say?
This is not a fun discussion.
Harry, what exactly do you want to say? I don't know. What do you want from me? Do you know what you made me go through? Do you know what I went through from my... What is it you... Just say it.
Listen, I have a lot to explain to you. If there is anyone who should be angry here, it should be me. You left me and married another man.
You're such a liar. What do you mean by if any of us should be upset? Do you know what you put me through? Look, if you don't have any other thing to say, just get off the phone. What rubbish.
Can we meet in Apple Garden Hotel tomorrow? I have a lot to tell you.
I am not meeting you anywhere. Okay? Say it over the phone.
Isabella, do not condemn a man until you hear his own side of the story. I have a lot to explain to you.
What explanation do you have? Do you know what? Just keep your explanations to yourself because I see you don't have anything to say. Get off my phone.
No.
He abandoned me and made me an object of scorn before my parents. What exactly does he want to explain to me? Should I give him a chance just to hear what he has to say? No man has ever loved me the way he loved me. Maybe I was wrong. Let me just listen to him and hear what he has to say.
I cannot forget the taste of your love in my heart. And now that I found you, nothing can keep us apart. Because every time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Oh, flames never die. I still love you so. I can't let you go. We'll be together. I'll leave you never. 'Cause oh, flames never die. Every time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Oh, flames never die. I still love you so. I can't let you go. We'll be together. I'll leave you never. 'Cause oh, flames never die. Every time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Oh, flames never die. I still love you so. I can't let you go. We'll be together. I'll leave you never.
Okay.
'Cause oh,
Is the car ready?
Yes, Yama, yes.
Can I have the key, please? You won't be driving me. I'll drive myself, okay?
Okay, Yama, yes.
Just help me with the gates.
Okay.
Yes, come in.
Good day. Did you remove any MOU from this drawer?
No, sir.
Maybe I left this thing at home. And I need to start something to draw. Okay.
Sir, Mr. Ken is there to see you.
Oh, ask him to come in.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. The almighty Ugonna. The man they couldn't arrest. John Kennedy. The great man. Long time, man. Yeah, I'm good. Have a seat. Sit down. Wow. Where have you been?
Oh, I just traveled to the village and I came back yesterday.
John Kennedy.
My prince.
Nice to see you. Thank you so much. I was about to go out before you came in.
Okay.
I want to go and get some things I forgot at home. So I guess, or I suggest, you escort me home.
No problem.
Even my wife would love to see you.
I would love to see her too.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Harry, what do you want? You abandoned me. What do you want from me?
I never abandoned you. Have you asked yourself why we lost contact?
We lost contact because you changed your number and refused to get in touch with me. That's why.
I did not change my phone number.
If you didn't change your phone number, what happened? What possible explanation can there be?
Isabella, my love. You know you are the last person I will ever lie to or deceive. I had a problem after the last time we spoke. I spent 5 years in prison. When I came out, I tried calling your number. It was saying the number does not exist. Isabella, I still think of you till date. You are the apple of my eyes. Isabella, look into my eyes and see the truth.
Look into my eyes and know that it's already late. Too late, as a matter of fact. I am married.
It's never too late. We can still marry each other. Please marry me. Just marry me. Please marry me.
Harry, are you high? I said I am married. What will I tell my children? What will I tell my husband? What about my parents? His parents? What will I tell my people? I am married with children. Get it into your thick skull. Alright?
Isabella, all I want is for you to make up your mind.
You're a joker. You are a joker.
Isabella, I am serious.
Seems my wife is not around. Think so? Let's go inside first. Where has my wife gone to?
I don't know, my prince.
What do you mean don't know? Didn't she tell you where she was going to?
She didn't tell me, my prince.
Did you see any father here when I was leaving in the morning?
No, my prince.
Maybe you should be in the room. Ken, I'm coming. All right, wait for me.
Yes. Oh yes, please come. I'm waiting. Hello, darling. How are you?
Isabella, where are you coming from?
I said hello.
I said, where are you coming from?
I'm just coming from Benita's house. I went to see her.
You left this house without a guard. And you want me to believe that you went to see Benita?
I don't understand.
Don't get me angry. For the last time, Isabella, where are you coming from?
What else do you want me to tell you? I went to see Benita. Leaving her house, my car broke down on the way. I had to call one of your mechanics to come fix the car for me. Here I am now, you're asking me where I'm coming from.
What was the motive behind your decision? Why would you leave this house without a guard? Talk to me!
Don't I have the right to leave the house without a guard?
You don't have such rights in this house. Do you get me? Next time you leave this house without a guard,
Remember the good times we had spent together and the beautiful future we had dreamt of. Darling, I never wanted to create a distance between us. I promise to make a better husband to you if only you can give me the opportunity. Sweet dreams, my love.
What does this want from me? What have I gotten myself into?
God for making us to witness the third Ofala festival of this kingdom of our Igwe. Permit me to say a congratulations to our king. And before we go into the breaking of the kola nut, permit me to introduce a great Iroko, our in-law, Eze Nwanta, and his prince, his son, Prince Eminike. Now, we cannot proceed in the breaking of the kola nut.
Cha, Niba Gwen! Gwen! I'm okay, Gwen! What's on?
I want to thank all of you who are present to grace this occasion. As I break this kola nut, I pray that every eye that sees this kola nut shall be well with you. I also pray that with the legs you have stepped onto this palace, the same legs you shall take back to your homes. Please, I want you to pardon me because of the scantiness of this celebration. It is as a result of the arrangement of my late wife's burial ceremony that will be coming up very soon. So I have decided to make it an impromptu one. Please bear with me. So on this note, I sincerely beg for a pardon. Amukenu kwenu! Udenu kwenu! Udenu kwezanu! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You can break the kola now. I think the music can play now.
Eventually we lost contact. That was when Prince Gunaya started chasing her. She refused him, but her parents threatened that if she does not marry Prince Ugonna, they will disown her.
My son, the whole story is that she has gotten married to another man, is it not?
That is it.
Harry, there are so many women out there waiting for somebody to have their hands in marriage. go and get one.
The point remains that I and Isabella vowed to marry each other. I know she got married to that man under duress. Papa, I know Isabella will come back to me.
Harry, my son.
Papa.
Are you aware that you're talking about somebody else's wife? You expect her to leave her husband and come back to you. Remember you told me she already has 2 children for this man. What do you want to do to yourself?
Papa, I don't care.
You don't care?
I don't care if Isabella has 10 children. The only thing that will stop me from getting married to Isabella is if she refuses to come back to me.
My son.
Papa, I know definitely Isabella will come back to me and I will accept her back.
Harry, I am your father. And I'm an elder too. An elder never stays at home, and the goat delivers on teeters. It is not done and not in my own time. Think, my son. Think.
Congratulations, father. Finally, it has come and gone.
So how is the business going?
Very well, father. At least I am trying my best to keep the standard you set before you left us. We are the best cosmetic producing company in the country.
That's all right. I'm happy to hear that. So keep it up, boy. Keep it up. Ugo.
Yes, sir.
Had you any issue with your wife before coming back?
No. Why do you ask?
I observed she has not been very happy with you since you came back. Probably because you have unsettled issues at the city.
No. There is nothing like that at all. But I don't know what's wrong with her.
You better find out why she shall not be happy with you, okay? Because every woman should be happy with the husband at all times to keep the family going. You better find out.
It's okay, Daddy. I've heard what you said.
That's all right.
Daddy, please give me some seconds. I'll be back. Isabella, even my parents noticed that you are not whom you used to be. What is the problem? If I've offended you in any way, tell me please. I'll make amends.
So what you do now is gossip about me with your parents?
That does not answer my question. Answer me.
I don't know what you're talking about. And honestly, you can go ahead and do what it is you do with your parents. Gossip or do whatever. I'm not interested.
Why would you say such about my parents? Don't you ever try it again. Ugo.
How was your father's festival?
It was nice. Indeed, it was colorful. You really missed.
Honestly, I wasn't around, but my spirit was there with you people.
Ken, why I brought you out here is to tell you something. You know we were friends before now. From childhood, we've been friends. We grew up together and you're giving me some piece of advice which helped me in life. So, what happened? A woman I've been living with that I called my wife suddenly had a change in her character. I don't know, do you know what must have caused this?
Just tell me this.
You know my family. We used to be a very happy family before now.
Oh yes, oh yes.
All of a sudden my wife's character changed. My wife doesn't allow me to touch her anymore. She's not happy anymore. Even when we traveled to the village, my parents noticed that she was not happy. And I normally asked her what the problem is. But she always say nothing.
Ogo, you need to put your eyes on the ground. I have seen similar cases before. Okay? All you need to do is to mount surveillance on her, if possible.
I know there is something my wife is hiding. And that I must find out.
Honey, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Just want to be here.
All alone? Let's go inside.
Go, I will join you soon.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Hello, baby.
Harry, stop calling me. Stop sending me those text messages you sent to me. My husband might just see it someday. What is wrong with you?
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm just trying to show you how much I still care about you.
Stop, okay? Leave me alone. I've told you, there's nothing between us. Nothing can go on where it's over between us.
You know that is not true. It is not possible. In short, it can't be possible. You married him because you thought I abandoned you. Now that you have found out the truth, it is time to take the bull by the horn.
What part of no don't you understand? Stop calling me, okay? Stop it!
I know you still love me so much. From the way you sound, it's obvious you care so much about me.
Can you just stop it? My husband is here. Stop it!
Hey. Who were you talking with on the phone?
My mom. You know how mothers call and complain about one thing or the other. But she sends her regards anyway.
Okay.
Are you okay? Are you sure? Sorry, I forgot to give you this. It came in yesterday.
Why didn't you give it to me last night?
I said I forgot. I'm sorry. Don't be upset.
Tell me why I shouldn't be upset. That someone brought letter last night for me and you didn't remember to give it to me the moment I came back?
Don't be upset.
Are you
Jesus.
Are you mad?
You slapped me?
Get out of my room.
You slapped me. Didn't you hear me? Get out of my door.
He slapped you?
Benita, I could not believe with my eyes. I was shocked. He even pushed me.
Hi. This must be the devil's handwork. Prince Ugonaya, it's not like that.
He is, oh. He is. I have started to look at him like that. Harry will not do such a thing to me.
No, Isabella. It hasn't gotten to the point of you comparing your husband to another man. We all have our own shortcomings.
Believe me when I tell you this. Harry will not raise a finger, let alone act this way.
So what are you insinuating?
You know I never liked Ugonaya for one day.
But you've been living happily with him all this while.
So? I can't transfer the love I have for Harry to another man.
Look, Isabella, I don't like the way you're taking this step. I don't like it. I thought you've already forgotten about this Harry guy.
What are you doing here, Harry? Waiting for me. How did you know where to find me?
I followed you. I was actually coming to your house and I saw you climb out.
I warned you not to come looking for me at my house. Why did you follow me?
Isabella, I need you back into my life. Isabella, I can't stay without you. There is no me without you, Isabella. When I look into your eyes, I know you want to come back.
Harry, I am married, okay? Don't you understand that?
Look into my eyes and tell me you don't want me. Look into my eyes and tell me you don't love me.
Are you high on something? You abandoned me and I have moved on. What don't you understand about it? Please.
I've apologized.
Excuse me.
I just let her be. She's a married woman now.
Isabella.
I was looking for you at the kitchen.
I've been here now. Has Madame come?
Yes, so she came back with the kids and she went straight to her room as usual.
Why is it that she's always in her room these days?
My dear, I think Madame is having problems. In fact, last night I heard her crying. The prince beat her.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Hey, is it because of the man that came here the other day?
That man? I don't know.
But remember when they were about to get married? She never wanted to marry the prince. Hey, I think she's regretting her marriage now.
You think so?
Yes, now.
But what could be the problem now? The prince is a handsome man and you know that.
Well, whatever the reason is best known to her. As for me, I'll finish sleeping and go and cook lunch.
Okay, continue. Let me get some from the other side.
Baby, please open the door. I know you're in there. Baby, please open the door. I know you're in there, baby. I'm here to apologize, okay? Please forgive me, please. I'm so sorry. Baby, Please open the door. I know you're in there. Please, my love. Please, I am sorry. I'm here to apologize, okay? Baby. Baby. It's true that I hate her, but that's not enough reason for her not to open the door for me. And her phone has been ringing. I wonder who has been calling her phone. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened. I didn't just know what came over me. But please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. Baby, please talk to me.
What do you want me to say? You hit me. Next thing you beat me. And another thing you probably hit me with something again and I will die. Then you take my cups to my parents, right?
I said I am sorry. Sorry. It won't happen again. Okay? I bought it for you yesterday. You don't want to look at it?
I'll look at it later.
Don't you like it?
I'll look at it later.
Let me see. I'm so sorry.
Someone brought this at the gate, so I should deliver it to you.
What's the person's name?
He didn't say his name, Your Majesty.
Happy birthday to you, my love. I bought this special gift for you because I know how much you cherish beautiful flowers. My love for you shall continue to flourish like this flower. I wish you more fruitful years ahead. Your love, Harry.
My husband didn't even remember my own birthday.
Happy birthday to you, my love. I bought this special gift for you because I know how much you cherish beautiful flowers. My love for you shall continue to flourish like this flower. I wish you more fruitful years ahead. Your love, Harry.
My husband didn't even remember my own birthday. Hello?
Yo, hello.
I know you're calling to find out if I've received your message. I have, but that was a risk you took. Why would you send a gift to me in my matrimonial home?
Sorry about that, but I'm only trying to prove to you that I'm ready to take any risk. I still remember your passion for flowers.
It's a terrible risk. What will I tell my husband? Did you think of that?
Come on, you're not a baby. Listen, tell him you got the flower for yourself as a birthday gift. Yeah? I miss you so much. Okay, baby, I have to go now. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, call me when you're alone driving. Okay. Miss you.
And now that I found you, nothing can keep us apart. Because every time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Oh, flames never die. I still love you so. I can't let you go. We'll be together. I'll leave you never. 'Cause oh, flames never die. Every time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Oh, flames never die. I still love you so.
His love is as sweet as this beautiful flower. Harry, even if I choose to divorce my husband, what will happen to my children? Who's it?
I'm God.
Come in, Mama. Amanda, what are you doing here?
I cannot sleep. I want to stay with you.
I told you to take a nap in your room. What about your brother?
He's sleeping.
Go to your room. I'll come and meet you there, alright?
How is the rice with
Oh, I see.
forward to today's your birthday?
I didn't forget, you forgot. Who told you?
I did not.
Thank you.
Okay, you're gonna call me right now.
Do I have to? You cut it, you put it.
That's nice. You're tasting my cake before me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Do you want some? You sure? Yes, sir.
Don't you wait.
Oh my God!
That's the money.
Give me money and
don't
go!
please.
Shoot
your wife.
No!
Shoot your wife!
No!
Shoot my wife! Madam, where?
No, please.
Shoot your husband! Or both of you will die.
No, I don't want.
Shoot him! Please!
Please, no, please, I can't. Please, I can't.
Shoot him! Shoot him now!
I can't.
Shoot him! What? No bullets! Shit!
Let's leave.
Let's go! Go! You just pulled the trigger on me?
I can't believe it, Ken. My wife lifted up a gun, pointed it at my face, and pulled the trigger without a second thought. Jesus Christ. I saw it in her eyes. She really wanted me dead.
This is unbelievable.
She couldn't say anything since last night.
Go. Honestly, I can't believe this.
Ken, I for don't be a dead man. I for don't die by now.
Thank God there was no bullet in that gun. So, what do you want to do about this now?
It's obvious that she has a skeleton in her cupboard. And I will find out what that skeleton is. I'm yet to believe what you did last night.
I'm sorry.
Why do you want to kill me?
I'm so sorry. They threatened to kill both of us, and I couldn't bear the thought of our children living in this world alone.
The gun was given to me first. I never pulled the trigger. And the gun was handed over to you. Without no thought, you pulled the trigger. Why didn't you do same as me?
I'm so sorry.
Do you remember this bag?
This is this. Well, where did you get the bag? How did you recover it?
I didn't recover it. They never went with it.
You planned this. You planned this.
I suspected that you were having an ace up your sleeves. And you proved me right.
You're a big fool! So you planned this! You made me choose because of our children, and you're making me feel like I'm the terrible one! I hate you. I hate you! You're a demon! I hate you!
did she get this from? Where did you get this from? Am I not talking to a human being?
I got it for myself.
I said, where did you get this flower from?
I said I got it for myself.
And this letter, who sent it to you?
So, what you do is go about searching my room, looking for something that's not looking for you. Is that it? What are you looking for? Just let me read this afternoon, please.
I said, who sent you this letter?
And I said, let me be, please.
You went too far. You shouldn't have touched her. I have always warned you about this, your hot temper.
You would have done the same thing if you were in my shoes.
But not to that extent. Come on! Now we have known where your problem is coming from. We need to follow it wisely. And don't forget that she's your wife. And you must protect her.
So what's your suggestion?
Let's go to your house. Let me talk to her.
She's not picking.
This is becoming something else. Where on earth will she be?
She deliberately did not want to pick my calls. Whenever she comes back in this house, I'm going to lock her up for 1 month.
No. Let's just wait for her to come back first, please.
Excuse me.
Don't worry, you'll get better, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Take a look at this. She left it behind.
What's the meaning of this?
I don't know. I've never seen her remove this from her finger before.
Don't worry. She will come back. I am having these feelings that she went to see her parents. Okay? Let's just wait for her to come back first. Please.
Please, you have painkillers or sleeping tablets.
What do you need it for?
My whole body is aching me and I need to sleep. I haven't slept. Can I get the painkillers?
Okay.
Could it be true that she traveled to the village to complain to her parents? Or I can't understand what is going on. Where could she be at this time of the night?
She was still sleeping. Her husband really dealt with her. No wonder she was able to take that hard decision to break up with her husband.
Hello?
Who are you? And what are you doing with my wife's phone?
What? Did I just hear you say your wife?
What?
Wifey, will you give that phone to my wife now?
I don't think she's willing to speak with you. And I will never allow you to kill her. She never loved you. She is now in a safe hand.
Who are you?
Do you really want to know? Well. My name is Harry. The man you stole away his fiancée.
Hello? My friend, will you stop that joke and give that phone to my wife now?
Joke? Listen, Mr. Man, let me advise you. You better go back to her parents and collect your bride price you paid on her head. Because this woman will never come to your house.
Hey, Mr. Man. See, if I don't see my wife here this night in this house, you're going to be in a very big trouble with me. Do you understand?
Who do you think you are? Listen, the battle line has just been drawn. You will never see her again. Promise.
Hello?
You mean your wife has not come back up to this moment?
I've not seen her.
This is unbelievable. Have you tried to find out who that Harry of a guy is?
I called her parents to inform them of the situation. And I was told that Harry was her ex-boyfriend. I learned they were supposed to get married. But the guy later traveled out of the country. That was when I went to ask for her hand in marriage. Her parents persuaded her to marry me.
And you were not aware of all this?
At all. She never told me. God. So I am suspecting that the guy arrived the country and eventually met with my wife. And that explains the sudden change in my wife's character.
You got it? Oh yes, you got it. That means your wife must be in the guy's house. But how could she?
I will look for that guy. And I will find him. And when I do, I'm going to skin him alive.
Yes.
I will skin him alive!
Iwe, what is wrong with her? She's not picking the call.
She's not picking mine as well. That means what the husband told us is true.
Where are we? This is a big shame to the family.
I don't expect this from Isabella. After many years of marriage.
My king, what are we going to do?
I don't have anything to do yet. Until I speak with the husband.
And what if she refuses to answer us?
Dad, we need to do something about this. Before this news spreads everywhere. It seems you are not getting me. I have to speak with the husband before we will do anything. Meanwhile, the most important thing now for us to do is to send some delegates to her father-in-law, Igwe Osadebe, to apologize to him over this matter. That's all we can do for now.
Igwe, you are right. But still, I wouldn't want this news to spread, just like Emenike pointed out. I would suggest you send Olo and one other elder. What would you think?
There are people still calling.
Yes. I believe he told them, so they've been calling me. Did you pick my husband's call?
Why?
The earlier we let him know about us, the better for both of us. We need to put an end to this.
What about my children? They can't stay without me.
Spell out, don't worry. I'll take care of that.
Harry, I am doing this because of you. I am doing this because I love you and I don't want you to disappoint me again.
Love, I promise you with all my heart, I will never disappoint you. I will stand by you. Baby, you know what happened the other time was not my making. Please trust me. I will stand by you till the end of time. Trust me.
What are you doing?
Daddy, are you going out today?
Yes, I'm going to the office.
Daddy, what of Mommy? She should be back by now. We are missing her.
It's okay, very soon Mommy will come back. Okay? She went to see Grandpa. She'll be back soon. Okay? Now you go in and take your siesta. I'll see you.
I know she's not ready to go back to her husband, but she's deeply worried about her children. That is the only challenge I am facing right now. I need to do something about that before I can be able to convince her to file a divorce.
Then she neither call nor pick my calls. And my children are worried about her.
Ogo, I think we have to involve the police in this matter.
Okay, no. I am not going to invite police in this. I am going to handle it myself.
Ogo, you don't need to take laws into your own hands. It can be dangerous, you know.
Ken, no matter what it takes me, I will do anything to bring back my wife. She's my wife. And that idiot will never get away with it. I swear.
Well, you know the police can make the search for your wife very easy for us.
Ken, I am not calling police in this issue. I have mounted my surveillance. Anytime from now, Harry's house will be discovered.
If you say so. Before I forget, I want you to be very, very careful about your children. I want you to take some precautionary measures by stopping them from going to school, at least for the meantime, in order to guarantee their safety.
Ken, I can't stop my children from going to school because of this.
Then you have to inform the school authorities about what is going on. Listen, Go. I have my reasons for telling you this.
This is unimaginable.
My in-law, Igwe Zemwanta, sent a delegate to me yesterday. It was from them that I knew what was going wrong. And then I called on my son who confirmed it.
This is strange indeed.
Harry.
Strange.
How can a woman leave her husband's house to another man?
It's unimaginable. It's strange.
Oh no.
Igwe.
I summoned you and the chair Madoka so that you will get yourself prepared to go and see my son at the city tomorrow to know exactly what is going wrong. I am ready to take care of your transport fare to and fro.
Igwe, that will be fine. And the earlier we go, the better. Because a stitch in time saves nine.
That's true, that's true. I can assure you we'll come back with good results.
Yes.
Good. That young man will never go unpunished. He will never slip out of my fingers. Let me wait for you until you come back from this city.
Hello. Do you like it?
Look good at it.
Thank you. It's one of the things you bought for me, so I'm thankful.
Oh, you see, you are the most beautiful woman I have ever set my eyes on. You were created by God and Son.
Do you have to work? You work a lot.
Yeah, you see, I was ready to wait till the end of time. I know someday you will give up your rest.
You don't have to wait any longer. Come on.
You know, I know. I was ready to wait.
Stop talking, just come.
I want you to be very, very careful about your children. I mean, I want you to take some precautionary measures by stopping them from going to school, at least for the meantime, in order to guarantee their safety.
I can't stop my children from going to school because of this.
Then you have to inform the school authorities about what is going on. Listen, I have my reasons for telling you this.
I miss you so much. I just want to hold you like this till the end of time.
I feel safer here.
Thank you. I'll protect you with my last breath.
Time I see you, I remember how it used to be. Me needing you, you loving me. Old flames never die. I still love you so.
You're just coming. When you get to the school, give this letter to the school proprietor and do as I instructed. Make sure you hide yourself where no one can spot you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
You can go now.
You have not told me how we can locate the princess place in the city.
Ichi, why are you bothering yourself? Igwe has given me the address. Once we get to the city, with the address given to me, we will trace the house of the prince.
Well, all the man, but oh no, let us hurry up so that we can come back.
Oh yeah, let's go, let's go.
Where are the children?
They're not in school. Everyone has gone. My children are not in school.
Why?
I don't know. Please, let's go. Let's go, please.
Hey! Don't you know that we paid a lot of money when he was in government? Of course. We didn't make mistake choosing him as our leader. What else did we call this baby? What our own is he? Great! He's going to cake. Oh!
Can you know how it feels when your wife starts misbehaving? Someone you've been living with for years. I'm feeling so bad about this whole situation.
I understand.
I'm running out of patience.
My prince,
Oh no! My prince, you're welcome. It's your mother.
My prince,
you're welcome.
I greet you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please,
Thank you.
My father informed me about your coming.
I greet you. A good day, others.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my prince.
How was it, John?
Very well, my prince. My prince, Igwe is actually worried about what he heard. And that is why he sent us to find out the situation of things and then get back to him.
I'm on it. Yeah, we're on it. Oh, good news. Wonderful. Ben.
What is it?
Your plan has paid. We have to go now.
Okay.
Yes, let's go. Oh no. I just got an information about my wife's whereabouts.
Wow, yes. That's good.
That's good news. Good. Please go sit down. Ruth! Ruth!
My prince.
Ruth, please, whatever my kinsman wants, please make sure they are served well.
Yes,
okay?
Yes,
please, my others, I'll be back very soon. Please. What's okay? Let's go.
You're welcome, sir. Let me fix something for you. Yes, sir.
Good news, good news.
Ken, why don't you go with your car?
There's no problem.
So worried. I am confused. My children were not in school today.
Baby, your children are alright. It's possible your husband must have suspected our motive and decided to stop your children from coming to school.
Why would he do that? For what reason?
Calm down. The most important thing is your divorce. And you have to be fast about it.
Filing for a divorce is not the issue. I need my children around me. That's the most important thing to me right now.
relax. And trust me, I will do everything possible to bring your children here and they will live with us. Just trust me and focus on your divorce, then leave the rest for me. Please, relax.
How are you?
Fine.
Is your guy in?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to see him.
Okay. You call him?
Yes.
Maduka, I understand how it feels, especially what Prince is going through right now.
What I don't understand is why a woman will leave her husband's house and run to another man. It is awful.
It is shameful. But the good news is Igwe will be glad that Prince has finally found his wife. So our visit is not in vain.
But that young man must be punished too. Punished.
Ichi, come to think of it, is it really right to force our children into marriage? Especially getting married to who they don't seem to like.
It is not right. But if he or she finds him or herself in such a situation, all what that person needs is to adjust. Not start messing up. It's not done. Don't mess up.
You are right.
Adjust.
Please let us eat our food before it gets married. Our sumptuous food.
Continue.
It might be inside. So, what do we do?
We will move in, okay? But be very careful. That guy might be dangerous.
Okay, so let's go in there. Let's go.
How did you guys get into my house? Where is my wife?
Leave my house now. I'll get you arrested and charge you for burglary.
For the last time, where is my wife?
Mr. Man, we are not here for child's play.
What's going on here?
Isabella.
What are you doing?
I'm here to take you home. The children, we need you.
I am not going home with you.
Come here.
I am not going anywhere with you.
Back off.
Oh, my prince, welcome.
My prince, you're welcome. My prince, you have to take things easy, okay? Things will be fine. I have to go now. It's okay. Thank you.
My prince, you are welcome.
My elders, please excuse me.
Seems there's problem. Just when we thought everything is solved,
We have to wait and find out what the problem is.
I don't know. Let us wait.
To get them arrested.
Harry, please don't do this, please. For the sake of my children.
Look at me. Look at my face. They beat shit out of me. They beat me black and blue in my own house. And I'm going to get them arrested and make sure they spend days in police cell.
If you arrest Ugunaya, my children will eventually find out that you arrested their father because of me. Please, I'm begging you, don't do this.
Sir, I can't take this. Sir, I can't. I must reciprocate.
You have to bear it for my sake. I don't want to lose my children, please.
What do you mean? How did they even locate this place?
I don't know. I have absolutely no idea, no clue. I was going to ask you.
No, they cannot just beat me for nothing. I will reciprocate. I will do something.
Your Highness, we went to the young man's house with Prince Ugunaya, and every effort to make her return back to her husband proved abortive. That is the reason Igwe Osadebe sent us to you. That he is no longer happy with your daughter's behavior.
And in addition to what my Onowu said, our Igwe said he is not happy with your daughter's behavior. He wants her to go back to her husband. And failure to do that, he will have no other option than to sanction her and her boyfriend. That is the message from my Igwe, Your Highness.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I heard everything you said here. I and my wife are not happy with our daughter. Though I have already sent for her, she is expected to be here this evening, and I will talk to her. Your Highness, I'm very sorry to see this. I doubt if your daughter will honor your invitation. Because from what I saw at the city 2 days ago, it's as if the young man uses charm to control your daughter.
Your Highness, Onowu is not saying that your daughter will not come to you. But in the event that she does not heed your call, then know that what Onowu has said is correct.
It's okay. I will wait for her. And I have taken note of all that you said here. I will apply every measure to end the story. Thank you, Highness. So, Your Highness, we want to be on our way, Your Highness. It's alright. Extend my greetings to my friend and in-law.
We, Your Highness.
Tell him all that I said.
Thank you, Highness. Thank you. Thank you, Highness. Thank you, Highness.
Good afternoon, Your Highness.
Are you Mr. Izuchukwu, the father of Harry Izuchukwu?
Yes, Your Highness. Harry is my son.
Are you aware that he took my daughter away from her husband?
No, Your Highness. I'm not aware of that.
Now that you are aware, listen very well. Warn your son to keep away from my daughter. If not, he will not like what I will do to him if I get to that city where he resides.
I will do exactly that, Your Highness, please.
And you do that as quickly as possible.
Yes, Your Highness.
If not, your son Harry will regret the day he stepped into my family.
Yes, Your Highness, I will do exactly that. I will tell him.
I hope you've heard my father, the king. If I dare come back here again, heaven will fall.
Hey! What is so special about this girl that Harris will not leave this girl alone? Huh? Even Jakam Kota. I was near Warokuma near Walaka. Manaka ye Kotali, Ukwe Kotalia. Alosigum.
Isabella has not disobeyed me before. Now I know what the elders from Amokenu said that she was under his spell.
I am finished. What kind of a problem is this?
She cannot even beat her cause. Is that not madness? Eh? What is she doing in another man's house when her husband's house is there?
My king, please, we have to do something. If Muhammad cannot go to the mountain, then the mountain will go to Muhammad.
Isabella is a daughter disgraced to this kingdom. Had it been I have another daughter, this act alone is enough for me to disown her outrightly.
My king, please calm down. My daughter could be under his spell, as you pointed out.
Had it been my daughter stayed in her husband's house, she shouldn't have been charmed. Isabella, if I don't see you after tomorrow, you will know the kind of father you have.
What sort of temptation is all this? God, you will please. She's my only daughter. Biko.
Did your mother call again?
Yes, she did, but I didn't pick.
Don't you think you should go and answer that?
I am not going to see them. I'm not going anywhere. They're the reason I'm in this mess to start with. What would they tell me? Go back to your husband, your children, I am not.
Nevertheless, if they call you for again, answer them. Let them not think I'm deceiving you.
Are you?
How can I? But they might think so.
They're my parents, okay? I know how to handle them. And as for Gunaya, I am not going back to that house again, ever.
Tries anything funny. I will kill him. He's too small for me to handle.
Relax. Just stay here and relax. Be with you.
What brings you here again?
Harry, or what are you called? You are looking for my trouble.
You are the one looking for my trouble by intruding into my compound without invitation.
What do you want? Name your price. I will give it to you, just for you to leave my wife alone.
Settlements. You mean settlements? If there's anybody who should be settled among us, then it should be you. I make money. I'm ready to pay you double of whatever you have in mind to pay me. I'm not like you, who depends on your father's business.
Hey, you just made a mistake. I don't depend on my father's business. I manage it. As for you, you are a drug dealer. Your days are numbered. And very soon, the law will catch up on you. Now, are you ready to release my wife?
You already know the answer. Now, leave my compound or else. Else what? Scared of you? I'm not scared of you! Nor the dogs you came with. Do you know what I do in the States? I kill people just to make money. I kill people! I shoot people! I run with 50 cents! I hustle! Street credibility gave me so much money! Now leave my compound. Or else!
You just touched the tail of a lion. Send my wife back to my house, or you face the music.
She belongs to me! No one will take her away from me! I will fight you. I'm ready to fight with my last blood! She belongs to me. Isabella is mine. No one will ever take her away from me. Nonsense! Nonsense!
And what do you mean by that? If what is happening is giving you joy and you're happy, I am not.
But I'm not fighting for my right.
What right are you fighting for having another man's wife in your house and you call it your right?
This woman in question wants me. She never loved her husband. They forced her to marry. I told you the only reason I will let go if she refuses me. She wants me. I am ready to fight with my last blood.
Harry, take that woman back to her husband. What you are committing is a serious offense. Having another woman, somebody's wife in your home, and you say it is your right? I think I want to leave now. I don't want to be part of this. Come and drag me back to the park immediately.
Come on, don't do this. I was expecting you to stop.
When the dog is close to the grave, you will never perceive the stench of excreta. I beg to leave now. Drive me back to the park immediately.
That proverb is only for local dogs, not Rottweiler like mine. I've made so much money, very fast. I will fight with the last one. She belongs to me. I was in the street for years, a big man.
I should send his wife back to him, or I face the music. That means he could be thinking of something. I should have talked about this long ago. If he meant to stop me, then I have to stop him first.
Are you still busy?
Harry, I'm still worried about my children. I need to see them.
I know you are missing your children, but you have to exercise a little patience. You know Uguna is on our neck. I have to take care of him before any other thing.
Please, whatever you choose to do, Don't hurt him. He's still the father of my children. Please.
Is that all you have to say?
What is wrong with what I just said? Harry! Harry! What is wrong with what I just said? Harry! Harry, what is it? What wrong did I do? What did I say?
The way you talk about him shows that you value his life more than mine. What if he has in mind to kill me? Will you be happy because I don't have children that will suffer when I'm gone?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way.
This is not the first time, not the second time. I'm tired of hearing the same thing all the time.
Please. Okay? I didn't mean it that way, you know that.
What are you doing here? Is this your husband's house? Tell me what you are doing here.
Oh, you are speechless. You can't speak.
Young man, this person you kept in your house, is she your wife?
Your Highness, with due respect, please calm down. Let's settle this matter the way to suit everybody.
Shut up here, my friend! You took my daughter hostage and you are here giving me condition. Don't you have respect? You made me come all the way from the village to the city. I don't blame you. It's you I should rather blame. Now, I give you today to return back to your husband's house. Else, you cease to be my daughter. And as for you, you will not go scot-free for tarnishing my image.
Young man, can you kindly allow my daughter to go? Keep away from talking! Leave her alone. Allow her to go back to her husband. And you can't kill me. Go back home and take care of your kids. And stop fooling around with this thing you don't know what you do for a living.
They are real father. I said they are real father. Wow. Why is he not picking his calls? Why are they taking the whole day? Is he not just to go to the mechanic and pick the car? Why are they taking the whole day? Right now, I'm late to the appointment I have at the office.
Hello? What? Where? How? Okay. I'll be there right away. Okay? I'm coming there now. Okay? Rose! Please take care of the children. Okay? I'll be back soon. Okay?
But what's this up now? Where will be them day now? Since we come back, we never see them. What's this up now?
Calm down.
What's this up now?
They come.
Ah, coach. Galante, them bold, I mean.
What are we waiting for? Let's call this guy. The deal has already been executed. He should bring our money immediately.
You're not saying every two of them must be Judas. We like money. But your own money, where you like, it is valuable to us. You make sense. Mark color.
Not so you like money. I know you know. Wow, you know.
But the maga know they pick my call.
No.
I say you know they pick my call now. You know they hear me. You know they pick. You know they pick my call. Making no triumph. I say making no triumph because if you triumph, head go roll. I say in head go roll. What's this up now? Why go they? Eh?
Hello, Bob. What's the sub now? I want you know one remit our balance now. Make we come up for you. What's the sub now? What's that one now? What's that one now? And they call you know they pay. What's it that one now?
I don't want you to say you want jump. Never clap for me. I don't say you know book, Sha. I don't say you know book. Because every as I call you no pick up. I mean to say you want jump. Make we clap follow you. You know, so for this kind of matter, if you jump, we go clap, follow you. And then wait. Hey boy, you say our money not be broke.
That guy we killed. Prince.
You know, say sometimes, you people when they carry dread. As water know they enter on a score well. When I know they think well, now they think like women. Express. What I know they enter on a score and make them think well. But you forget that they act according to plan. They give us plan. We follow this guy from their battle. Rush well.
Prince, they can make here. Think about it.
But you need to go shower.
friend Ken is gone. And one of my guards. Could it be I was the target? But who could have done this? Who? Who have I offended?
Ken is dead. And the good night, the target. Oh my God.
Hello, darling.
You are not happy. What is the matter?
Read this text message.
Who sent this to you?
I sent it to me.
What?
Harry, can I ask you a question, please?
Yes.
Do you in any way have anything to do with this?
How can you ask me such a question? Is that what he told you?
I am just asking. He didn't tell me anything.
Baby, is it because I'm having issues with him you ask me such a question? Kent Enemy must have done that to him. How can I hire an assassin to kill an innocent man?
Okay, I'm sorry I asked, but I just had to ask because I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. Oh, baby.
No, I just want to stay here. I'm just having chills all over my body.
Telling you killed the wrong person, you argue with me. I have a clear evidence of what I am saying. You killed his friend, not him. I have a clear evidence of what I'm saying. I will get that done before the end of tomorrow and get back to you.
This boy wants to render my children fatherless. Why is he this mean?
want to see my lawyer to tell him about your divorce before you meet him.
Is that necessary? I thought we were supposed to see him together.
Yes, it's necessary. I need to see him first.
Okay.
Are you alright? I notice you've not been happy since morning.
I'm fine. It's just that I'm weak, that's all.
Okay. Please take care of yourself.
Okay.
I summoned you here because of what happened yesterday. It has come to my notice that some people are after my life. I want you people to be more vigilant. If you notice any suspicious movement, do not hesitate to let me know immediately. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And I notice some of you don't take your night duties serious these days. So from now on, I want you to start taking your night duties serious.
Yes, ma'am.
You can go back to your duty post. And when you get there, inform others what I've said.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I thought as much.
What is keeping him? I mean, he has taken enough time. It should be traffic that is delaying him. Better be. Who is there? Check before you let in.
Sorry for the little delay. It was due to traffic.
We're good like that. So what's the plan now?
The plan still remains the same. But you have to be very careful. No mistakes.
You didn't give us the picture the last time, so it was obviously your fault. To play the game is not a problem. But this time, it's going to cost you an extra 150,000.
Money is not the problem. All I want is professionalism.
The kind of words I like to hear. I like it. Here is...
This is 70,000 naira.
Oh.
Once the job is completed, I will pay you your balance, 80,000 naira. Deal?
Deal. You're a good guy. Alright. You're a correct man. Get things ready. We're striking hard this time. Okay, let's.
Try to start it. Eh?
What is wrong with this engine now? What could be the fault of this car?
My man, we've watched here for 3 days now and nothing is happening. The guy is not showing up. See, what are we going to do now? People may start suspecting us here.
See, I understand you. I understand you very well. But you see, we have to try. We have to try more, okay? Maybe we'll plan, okay? We have to make every plan. But then, let's try for today once more.
Just go back and try more. Go back and try. Try more. Try to start it, eh? Pedal the throttle very well before you try.
Now that we have met the barrister, I'm confident
confident that he will deliver in the shortest period of time.
I thought you said you saw him 3 days ago.
Of course I did.
But from the conversation, it sounds as if you've never met him before.
I think you misunderstood it. Hello, I'm driving. I'll call you back. I couldn't have picked your call at that moment. I was with my wife.
That's no problem. How do we go about this now? Now that our initial plan couldn't work. This guy, the prince, has not left the house for the past 3 days. I think someone is feeding him with some information.
I'm not sure about that. Probably he's still mourning his best friend. I think we need to change plan. Go into that compound and get the operation done.
And you think it's that easy, right? Well, in that case, it's going to cost you more money.
Listen, money is not a problem. Go to that compound, kill that man no matter what it takes. The cash should not be a problem. You can handle it.
Nice one. Nice one to know you believe in me. This guy has no problem at all. Alright then. Since money is not a problem, it's a deal. We'll make sure we carry out this deal first thing tomorrow morning.
I'll get back to it for the end of tomorrow with some money. No mistakes.
She's fetching water outside, my friend.
And my children, have they slept?
Yes, my friend.
Okay. Listen and listen carefully. I want you to be able to wake up very early tomorrow morning and do your domestic chores. You're going to be very fast about it. Once it's 9 a.m., take my children upstairs. And nobody should come down no matter what happens.
Yes, my friend.
I repeat myself. No one should come down no matter what happens. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my friend.
Isabella has been eavesdropping on my conversation. How could that be possible? But I think her attitude has changed recently.
begged you not to hurt him, that he's the father of my children. You already killed his best friend. You still want him dead after all I agreed to do for you. I agreed to every other thing you said. You still want him dead. Why?
Sabina, you will pay for this dearly. You will pay for this!
Now! I'm giving you 5 seconds to take this policeman out of my compound or I will shoot her and kill myself! For the last time, drop your gun!
Please don't let him kill me.
Please don't allow him to harm my wife, please.
I will kill her now!
Please, you can go now, please.
Amanda, let me stop. Mommy! How are you?
Who's that?
The most important thing is Amanda. Okay? Please take and welcome, madam. Thank you. You're back. Thank you. So how are you? You're fine.
Okay, let's go ahead. Junior, come. Get me the water.
I am surprised that my son forgave you so easily after bringing shame to this honorable family and the entire community. You are not worthy any longer to be our wife. You are a disgrace.
Please, forgive me. I erred terribly and I am so sorry. It will not happen again.
Get up from there. Now tell me, why do you think that this family would forgive you? And why do you think the entire community would forgive you too?
As soon as I realized my mistake, I wanted to come back home, but I couldn't because Harry had plans to kill my husband. So I had to pretend to carry on with him and thereby give Prince Ugonaya information about Harry's plans. I kept in touch with my husband and that was how we were able to arrest him.
I have never seen this kind of a thing before.
Your Highness, we are indeed shocked beyond words. Our daughter's character, to say the least, is most abominable and terribly bad. Having said that, we are here on behalf of our Igwe. He sent us to come and apologize to you. That you should have mercy and pardon her. Igwe.
Your Highness, please forgive her and accept these drinks we came with.
Dad, my elders, the gravity of my wife's offense is nothing to write home about. Even her parents were not happy when we went to see them before coming here. Please, do not crucify her. If not for any other thing, for the sake of my kids, I plead for forgiveness on her behalf. Please. And I want to use this opportunity to say, Isabella, I am sorry for all I've done to you. I've not been a good husband to her, but I said I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
For the sake of my son and his children, I have forgiven her. Igwe Zewanta is my very good friend. I don't know where she has brought this kind of gross misconduct. I don't know why she did what she did. What do you say? I forgive you.